Say hi, Julia.
Hi.
This is Julia. We're hiking today.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high.
Look at this rock. No thank you, I suck at climbing. There's a lot of cool little spots in this little forest. Don't worry, I'll take the heavy breathing out on the B-roll. So I think we're about halfway. This has been just beautiful today. Now I know I spend a lot of time in the mountains walking around or driving around looking for spots to fly, but if you don't have a drone, you don't need one to go to these types of places. There's all sorts of things that you can just hike or climb or mountain bike or whatever. You don't need a drone to do all this stuff. Just go out and explore a little bit. It's a lot of fun.
Nobody knows I wanna go and nobody goes. I lost my way, but I found my fighter's destiny.
Made it. Julia, how do you feel?
Good.
What a nice view though. This is gorgeous.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high. I've been high. Lately I've been high.
All right, that was really fun. I hope you enjoyed that little montage there. I love doing stuff like this. I recommend just getting out there, having fun. It's a blast. So get away from that computer, get out of the goggles once in a while, and just enjoy the nature. It's so worth it. Now let's head back down. Almost down. I think we're ready for a burger. Right, Julia?
Yes.
Burger time. Cheers, Julia. All right, you guys. Well, we're gonna call this one. It's been a really fun day. I really enjoyed this. I know it's kind of a departure from typically what I do, but I want to do more stuff like that on this channel. If you like this video, drop a like down below, leave me a comment, and please subscribe if you haven't.